Alright. This subwoofer in the house, and it really is that heavy, ain't it? Ain't it, babe? Yes, it is. I'm out of breath trying to carry it in the house. Alright. It's a lot of packaging.
This is gonna be the worst video ever.
It's a lot of packaging.
Not this.
What you want to look? Oh, alright. Look at the box. It's a lot of packaging. Are these towels? 3 towels. Alright. You looking at the speaker? There it is.
You can't really see it.
Oh, damn.
You can't get it.
Oh! Wow. The Orion
Go that way.
HCCA 15.2 is a heavy ass speaker. Look at her butt.
Are you serious?
Yeah. If this fall like off a counter, it's gonna break the tile.
So maybe you shouldn't put it on the counter.
Alright. Here it is. The biggest subwoofer.
Why are you taking it out of all of the wrapping?
Because.
But you're not gonna put it in yet.
True.
So stop it.
But anyways, as you can see,
You still going.
it is humongous. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh God. You can see it?
Yes. You put it down before you hurt yourself.
Woo. Golly. And there it is.
Get your breath.
Get my damn camera. There it is. Finally got it in. Humongous. What'd you say? It's over?
Yeah.
It's over. Peace out.